We are not a nation of immigrants. We are a nation with immigrants, with indigenous people, and with enslaved Africans in its origin. What a difference one little word makes. Instead of a nation of, a nation with. I understand that many people who say things like we're a nation of immigrants is trying to say we're all in it together, but not quite realizing how marginalizing that can be to indigenous people. Also to black pain for those for whom their ancestors did not choose to come here voluntarily. By the way, you could apply this this frame to any fault line in our society. America is not a Christian nation. It is a nation with Christians, also with Jews, with Muslims, with Sufis, with traditional Native Americans, atheists and agnostics, all of whom are just as American as anybody else. It is the effort to say that America is any one thing and pick some subset of the society that will be immediately marginalizing